Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Let's review all the charts and indices. And please hit the like button. I will really appreciate. I post these videos every day. I make an effort. So all you need to do is click the thumbs up button and the like button, and I will really appreciate that. All right. So MES. Let's start with MES chart here. Nasdaq. Sorry, S&P 500. We are in a trading range. All right. So if I take you to SPX, for example, let me show you here. This is a big trading range. This thing start actually here from this day around of 24th of 8th of March to now. Okay, so more than a month of a range. If I want to draw a box for you, you can see here this is whole thing is a range. All right, so what happens in a range? We're going higher and then we're coming down, higher, down, higher, down. So it's like a range. Okay, it's just range bound. And same thing here. What you can see here on the left chart, if I zoom out, you can see here very choppy market. Okay, but this indicator is keeping us make very good profits and always helpful. All right, so you're buying on the green. All right, here for example, yesterday you bought on the green, sell on the red. All right, very easy trade, nothing to do here, guys. Very easy trade. What else you need? All right, sell here. All right, you sold here around 2:40 p.m. and now look where we are. We're going towards buy zone again. Amazing trade. All right, same thing here. Sell here, dump. You can see sell here and dump, 2% dump. All right, and then again from here you went to the buy zone. Same thing here. You came to buy zone, you buy, and then you get into sell zone. All right, you can see here buy to sell, again here sell to buy. Very nice. All right, where else, what else you need to trade? You can see here easy trade. Even here you can take it even from here. All right, to 1.5% trade here dump. So you can see here S&P 500 is in a like 2% dump here. You can see here buy. You can see S&P 5. You can just keep going. You can keep doing this again and again and again. I showed you like every day how much you can make easy 1.5 to 2% profits on a daily basis, guys. This is like a dream for traders. All right, so this indicator is amazing, and I spent a lot of years in developing this indicator. If you want to know about this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a YouTube link in the description of this video. Click on it, subscribe, and I'll put you on in the members group. Let me know your user ID in the Discord group. There's also a link there, and you can join. And this is amazing. All right, I just wanted to show you every day how good it is. So now I'm waiting. So in the middle, we don't do anything. We wait for it to dip below 5200, which is buy zone. I'm gonna buy there. I sold here yesterday. I'm just waiting. So let's see if it's gonna go here. We're gonna buy again. If it gets above this, we're gonna sell again. So it's a range. So it's in a trading range. And if I put MES chart side by side here on a daily chart, you can see here the distance are 52, 59 and up, which is this white line, which is 20 moving average, and buy zone is below 5203. All right, so this is buy zone is near going lower. You can keep going lower. It's not going to go to third standard deviation in a day. So 5200 and below, that's probably where we're going to buy. And if it goes above here, we will sell it. Same thing with Nasdaq here. MNQ, same thing here, same trading range. Okay, Nasdaq was a bit very aggressive because he was the one driving S&P 500, but it was nice shot above red line here, and now we are back to the neutral zone here. All right, so the levels are 18269 and below buy, and 18503 and up look to sell. All right, Nasdaq. And let's look at Dow Jones. US 30. US 30 is actually touching buy zone. There was JP Morgan earnings this morning, and I think they did not do good. You can see JP Morgan is down 3%, and that's what's one of the big factors of Dow Jones, and it's in getting closer to buy zone. So if you're looking to buy, this is the index you want to buy. So it's getting very close to buy zone 38, 306 and below, which is from here around 0.15%. So probably going to be here very soon. And on a daily chart, I'm getting 9 counts buy signal as well. So Dow Jones is looking like it's a good entry to buy, and already from the all-time high it came down 4%, so it's a good correction. All right, so Dow Jones is something you should keep an eye on. Russell 2000, let's look at Russell 2000 in the neutral zone as well. Look to buy below 2023. All right, trying to hold this support of a daily chart of 50 EMA SMA, still not able to do that. In the neutral zone, chop zone, wait for it to go below 2023. All right. Okay, so let's keep moving. Let's look at Tesla. All right, Tesla is down 0.85 pre-market in the neutral zone. Try to go towards sell, just sold off before end of day. Again, in the middle, no need to do anything. 176 and up, sell. 169 and below, look to buy. All right, UNH in the buy zone. What you do in the buy zone, you buy. UNH, I wanted to show you something. If I go to weekly chart, UNH, you can see we are now right below 200 EMA and SMA. So are we going to get a bounce today? If we get a bounce today above this 200 EMA or 200 SMA around 2%, that's going to be good close. But necessarily doesn't need to close above that. Okay, so you can see here on 16th of March it closed below that, then again next week followed by a massive bounce. But the price you're gonna buy now is, you can see here, nice support this area. Okay, so you're getting a price when it was in 2021 October. All right, so that's the price. This is the biggest healthcare stock. They're just selling it for no reason. Okay, there are some news regarding cyber attack. They're saying extended cost of healthcare is high, but if the cost is high, they're going to charge higher price to the customer. So I don't know why they're selling off. But this is a nice support, guys. Like 2021, 3 years support you're getting. The prices same as there. All right. My opinion, very good buy here, and I did buy yesterday. All right. And although I don't see any, there's some divergence on RSI, so new low with higher high on RSI. PPO is no divergence here, but RSI showing divergence, so I think it's a good area to hold. And 1 hour chart showing divergence. You can see new lows with higher high on RSI, higher high on PPO, and PPO green line is about to cross red line. On 1 hour, I think I'm expecting a bounce, and a little bit of bounce is coming pre-market. So just wanted to share that. All right, let's go to gold. Gold chart here. Another massive pump, just consolidated and pump in the sell zone. Not interested here to buy. I don't like to short, I like to buy in my green zone. That's my trading strategy. Silver is in the sell zone. Not interested here. Crude oil going towards sell zone. All right, you can see going towards sell zone. Nothing interesting here for me. Natural gas is interesting because it's going towards buy zone. So this is what I want to be buying. There's a gap around 1.6986. I don't know if it's gonna go there. I don't even know when. 10% down. That looks unlikely, but you never know, right? But it's getting closer to green zone, which is the buy zone. So natural gas is a very good trade for today. Bitcoin. All right. A lot of you guys come for Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin is also nice trade here on Bitcoin as well. You can see here was in the buy zone and then bounced from the buy zone, almost 6% pump. This was on Wednesday, all right, and I was telling everybody to buy. And now where it is, it's in the middle, all right. So we don't do anything in the middle, and it could be just holding nicely. It could be nice flag. But if I look at SPX daily chart next month or so, I'm looking for some downwards pressure. So let's see how it goes. But for now, I don't see green line above red line. So the chart is telling me still there's a little bit of downwards pressure. So we'll see how it goes. Let's look at BTC gaps. There's a gap around 64K, so just keep that in mind. So if for some reason if they drop and fill that gap, that's where you want to be buying. Also, green line is below red line. I'm not going to be bullish until green line cross above red line. All right, that's my analysis. And Ethereum, Ethereum is also in the neutral zone. All right, a little bit weaker. Look to buy below 34.78. And if I go to gap analysis, there's a gap around 33.62. I think that's where they're going to be coming again. Green line is below red line. Not interested. Even on futures, actually on live futures, green line is above red line. So conflicting messages, but it's going to mostly do what Bitcoin is going to do. But for now, it's in the neutral zone. So keep an eye on that. For the record, I think what Bitcoin is going to do is something like what SPX I'm expecting. All right, I'm expecting Bitcoin to kind of where's the right path? go a little bit lower, then bounce higher, higher, lower high, and then go lower. All right, this is what I think it's gonna do, in my opinion, and then gonna bounce to 80K from here. That's what I think it should do. Hang Seng Index, China, selling off, resistance in the buy zone. This is why you want to be buying China. Alibaba, Baidu, look to buy here. All right, let's keep moving. Copper, copper. Sell zone, in the sell zone. All right, massive pump. Palladium, palladium is in touching sell zone as we're talking. Soybeans bouncing from the buy zone. Sugar down again in the buy zone. All right. Wheat, wheat is in the neutral zone. Corn is also bouncing from the buy zone. All right. Gold miners are up pre-market. Another massive pump in the sell zone. Not interested here. All these Apple is massive buy pump. There was a gap which was filled. This massive gap. I don't want to show it here, but yeah, there was a gap here which was filled, which I removed it. But you can see that's the buy zone to sell zone. All right. This is a short zone right here in Apple right now. So look to short here, in my opinion. Google in the sell zone, Netflix in the sell zone, Amazon in the all of these pumped heavily except Meta, I think. So all of these are heavily. Meta is in the neutral zone. Microsoft uh, near neutral zone. Snowflake's pumped massively yesterday in the sell zone. NVDA was also pumping massively in the sell zone. AVGO in the sell zone. AMD in the neutral zone. Intel is down pre-market in the buy zone. Interesting. And Shopify at the end is also in the buy zone. All right. And let's review VIX to wrap this up. VIX is here, bouncing, holding, consolidating. It's going above this light blue line, which is 200 EMA. So looking nice. If it falls from here, fill this gap, that's going to be very bullish for stock market. But what I'm expecting is this. All right, I'm expecting lower prices. All right, so from here, cycle top, follow this yellow cycle, looking for lower prices, then a lower high, then again lower prices. Okay, so it's going to be traders market for next couple of weeks to a month. Just going to chop around here until we reach here, end of May, and then we're going to get a massive bull run. So traders market, guys, you need that indicator. If you want to be a trader, you need to have this indicator in your pocket. And yeah, talk to me on Discord. All right, guys, take care. Bye.